So hey friends, welcome to the channel. Just wanted to share a quick story with you. I don't know if you are as geeked up as I am about Rush on their new tour, but they just started a couple days ago, June 7th, 2026 in LA, and they did part of 2112. Just the intro, Temples of Syrinx, and then the grand finale. Well, last night, the second night, there was a break and then another show last night in LA. They actually did the entire first side of 2112, the whole section there. And wow, I was so excited to see that they did part 3, which has always been meaningful to me. And that is where Alex plays a part of the protagonist, and he's in a waterfall, and he goes and he finds an ancient guitar, and he starts learning how to play it. And as I was in junior high, I was playing this guitar, my Fender Strat, and I used to play that part and listen to it, and I was so excited to see Alex playing it here in 2026. It just is mind-blowing to me that he can still do it at age 72. He sounded great up on stage for the whole show, but especially that song. When he started playing the intro, I thought, no way. And then in the background, they have those waterfall kind of images and water falling in the background. Beautiful. And then he played through it, and you could just see the crowd was so excited, and so was I as I watched it. And I just wanted to share these parts for you, these little tidbits. I have some deeper experiences through my life with 2112 that I won't share right now, but I have always found that to be just so moving, sort of a guide in life to push back on the establishment or push back on things that you don't see are right and that you want to point out. And it all starts with that waterfall experience when he finds that guitar, and I feel that parallel in my life when I found this guitar in junior high and just kind of propelled a life of playing guitar and using it in different facets of my life. Hope you enjoy this little clip, and remember, the meek shall inherit the earth.